as my classmate explained so far, Japan has a lot of serious problems. And this week, it was reported that Japan's GDP will be overtaken by that of one country, and Japan is losing the status of having the second largest economy in the world. Do you know which country will be the number 2 instead of Japan?
China.
Yes. Thank you for your cooperation. China will be. China has a strong economy, and its economy has been growing rapidly and powerfully. So I imagined their employment rate of university graduate would be high thanks to their strong economy. But after some research, I was surprised to find their employment rate is low, and job shortage is their serious social problem. Why their employment rate of university graduate in China is low in spite of its strong economy? Today, I'd like to explain the reasons of this issue. I found 2 major reasons. The first one is too many students for the actual jobs. Can you imagine how many university graduates China had last year? It was 611 million, while Japan had only 56 million. The number of Chinese graduates is more than 10 times as many as that of Japan. So they have a serious problem that there are too many students for actual jobs. The second reason is a huge gap between students' expectations and the reality. Even though their situation has such a seriousness, many students cannot face reality. Their ideas are too high to achieve, and if they fail to achieve their dreams, they easily give up working. As a result, there are a lot of young working poor people called arisoku in China. They are example of the situation that there is a huge gap between students' expectations and the reality. As I explained, because of these reasons, China has suffered from low employment rate, although the country has a strong economy. I think these situations represent the negative part of the strong country, China. Thank you very much.